The 2025 Scania S650 Motorhome represents a pinnacle in luxury travel, combining Scania's renowned heavy-duty truck engineering with high-end residential amenities. Built upon the robust Scania S650 chassis, this motorhome is powered by a formidable 16.3-liter DC16 V8 with Scania XPI fuel injection and achieving -6 via selective catalytic reduction (SCR). Although badged at 650, its true horsepower rating is 642 horsepower at 1,900 RPM with 3,300 Nm torque levels that match the 520 horsepower and 580 horsepower, absolutely ensuring both reliability and performance for long-distance journeys. The exterior boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design with clean lines and a commanding presence, ensuring both visual appeal and efficient performance. Customization options: owners can personalize the exterior with various paint finishes and detailing options, allowing for a unique and tailored appearance. Equipped with advanced LED lighting systems, the motorhome ensures excellent visibility and adds a modern touch to its exterior design. The motorhome boasts a generous living space, enhanced by double slide-outs that expand the interior, providing ample room for relaxation and entertainment. Multiple flat-screen televisions are strategically placed throughout the motorhome. Equipped with a 4-burner induction stove, a large oven, and a full-size sink, the kitchen is designed for culinary enthusiasts. The design includes multiple bedrooms, such as a master suite and additional sleeping areas, accommodating families or groups comfortably. Full bathroom: a well-appointed bathroom features a large stand-up shower and standard flush toilet, ensuring comfort akin to a traditional home. In summary, the 2025 Scania S650 Motorhome stands out for its combination of powerful performance and luxurious design, making it a top choice for discerning travelers seeking both comfort and reliability on the road.